Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock the cleaning hobby for the cleanup hobby for the Call of Whales Fashion Wave event in Heartopia. So first, you're going to talk to Oliver, and then you're going to talk back and forth between Oliver and Rory, and you'll be directed to that page that was just open now, and you'll unlock the cleaning up hobby. Basically, you'll get this like vacuum tool. That's what I'm just going to call it from now. And you're going to start cleaning around the area here. You're going to clean until it's like fairly clean. And then you are going to also go through a lot of like other like pollutions later on, like as you level up. There is a tutorial before you actually use the tool, so make sure you watch it, guys. And then you can get contaminated yourself, so you need to go to this anemone to be like cleaned again. And you'll know when you're contaminated when there are rocks, like I don't know, like pollution all around you. You look dirty, like just try yourself. But that is it for this video. That's how you can get the like cleanup hobby in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!